5 Best Electric Kettles. Here is the product number 5. 1.2 liters colorful 304 stainless steel electric kettle 1500 watts household. Colorful design, fast heating, household 304 stainless steel materials, high security, high temperature resistant automatic outage system. Automatic adage when water get boiled. Specification, material, plastic, 304 stainless steel food grade, color, black, red, blue, voltage, 220 volts tilde 240 volts power, 1500 watts heating method, chassis heating capacity, 1.2 liters heating time, 4 minutes. Size, mouth diameter, 90 mm height, 180 mm bottom diameter. Here is the product number 4. 1000 ml car hot kettle portable water heater. 1x car kettle. Features, 1. For car, boat, camping, motorhome. 2. Ideal for hot water, coffee, tea, soup, can also as a baby food liquid warmer. 3. Easy to use, plug into your cigarette lighter socket. Specifications, 1. Capacity, 1000 milliliters. 2. Cable length, 1.5 meters. 3. Power supply type 1 12 volts 150 watts type 2 24 volts 250 watts. 4. Material, 304 stainless steel plus ABS. 5. Boil to 100 degrees Celsius time. Here is the product number 3. DMWD Portable Mini Electric Kettle Water Thermal. Kettle capacity, 350 milliliters. Kettle size, 34 11.5 centimeters. Inner material, 304 food grade stainless steel. Working voltage, 110 volts to 220 volts / 50 Hz. Instruction will show 220 volts, but real voltage is 110 volts to 220 volts. Water boiling time, 6 minutes for 220 volts, about 20 minutes for 110 volts. Rated power, 300 watts. Weight, 0.5 kilograms. Brand name DMWD. Here is the product number 2. 0.75 liters electric kettle silicone foldable 680 watts portable travel camping. Foldable design, saving space, convenient to carry, perfect partner for your tour. Food grade silicone materials, high security, high temperature resistant, max temperature 230 degrees. Double voltage design, optional 110 volts tilde 120 volts or 220 volts tilde 240 volts. Spin button, universal voltage for different countries. Automatic adage system. Automatic adage when water get boiled. Button for opening. Cover on the handle, do not scald hand. Specification, material, plastic, silicone food grade. Here is the product number 1. Original Xiaomi Mijia 1.5 liters electric water kettle auto power off protection. 304 stainless steel inner layer. Standard food grade stainless steel, rust free, anti-scaling, odorless, easy to clean. 1.5 liters large capacity. 1 boiling can meet a family drink for multiple members. No need to boil water frequently. Anti-scalding. Double layers with a hollow insulation layer between inner and outer layer. It provides more heat insulation to protect you from scalding. Superior strict temperature control. Precise temperature control guarantees a full boiling and longer lifespan. 2-stage damping. Uncapped design. Press the lid opening button. The lid is automatically opened at 30-degree angle without hot drops spattered. Check the description below for the link. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.